guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Hey, a social media now, man, I beg you, woman, go with one waiting in Gavi. Hey, oh, Salopa, or tablet, don't low, Mary. Any make walk one on here. Ahwe iro is a quick hammer well kegani ya guave and a man in a tega vi. Oh, none if none in a sinner, Runan is sinner. Iwasie, Imagigasie, Iwavi, Manigao. Could you imagine? I don't know why. This is the thing. A lot of people are mentally deranged. I believe how can you? You can read comments. You can read a lot of things, but you cannot read your paper. No what dash in mopo. Uchwe by saying ube ah. A lot of people are sick. The truth have to be said. Because since 3 days now, he's on him a beg how for real? Really? Hey. Yeah, this sweetie we store. America, or when a guy sweet in $1 there, almost on me receipt, almost to fear, you know. Yes. Yeah, here I pay go one the bank. He almost to the receipt me pay. Anything here there, I will buy in Nigeria binary receipt no. Yeah, we no receipt. A way bono. Anything here don't have any cents. I must be receipt in one. So I don't understand. I don't understand though. I don't understand. This is 2023. Okay. Natalie 2020. Yeah. 2016 Mary. Let's say 2014 or 2013 or 2012. Where you feel where I have a baby to have 2023. They will one. The social media now upgraded every day. Why me most of people only man go out here, but the social media now be running as one billion. That is it. It's very educative. A go river. Very easy. Anything in this world, no way. As a woman laptop or as a woman smartphone, you can see it. So all no saying in that time. But there is here for with social media. Ezo here for. Ezo here setting for like do beg any. Because even no bar we were white. Ja. Mewa begin na ba we were white. Argument to re agbeje to lie. O we nene a we ma begin na ba we pa white. Eso e wo ba, eso e wo white. Eso we miss ye. Atopa bege e wala re. That is the problem. But the truth of the matter still remains the same. Human beings are not animals. People are smart. If you are daft, people are not daft. If you are crazy upstairs, people are not. Why are you taking everybody for a fool? Hey. Oma ari pari ewebo. Emma ugbeso total yo wa in Nigeria and very good. Who watch in school? Who weni? Who wise? I'm well awebo. At the age of 13 years, they know 14 years, they know 15 years. Demi nu Uma mi ropa. O se ni bla buena muya muku severio. O no se yana zigo ni kpea severio. Ge manare Nigeria ikpe amu we are boutique. O mu we la don dele gifting we. Emi nu gwada wo wa wo for all furnish e. But iya ma big experience ni. Error. O kpe amu we out. O mu we yari yemi. O dele mi ni punu. Iya ma made that opportunity. Because iya very greedy parents or BS over. Very they did not know that agbon or ogbon ta ori eri yiki emi na rule gbogbo so ma bo. That is why I learned to take my life jejely. Irule ule u de me da ogba kian ule gidigidi u de me da ogba kian wa meka ho Rebecca you but so why oh si kun ni mi ga ibani so tulemo ya je ke oya na eri oshi but why ko ahia wa do bode u injo too much fun. Who are you impressing? Hey, ikate woman egbe oho ami awon no matter what you put on, no matter how you behave, we know. Yes, that's it. You not get it. He good make pikin wise. Because when pikin not wise, it dey show. If you enter outside, it show. If you not wise, not be abroad wise. Abroad wise, not be wise. How can the 15 years old pikin they do a shower for road? That head never scatter. If you ask her now, say how you take grow. Like me now, know as I take grow. My first boyfriend, I know how many years they told me if I can say okay. Even when I even say I don't grow, I even introduce and give my parents, my grandmother, my papa Noah, because I was grown. And now we're Zeke. I shot it so a virgin, I love virgin in Yahweh. How can those kind of people have sense? They feel that they are smart, but they are not. They lack. And they need therapists. They need therapy. Iya one need the therapy. Because when you are Emma, that is when you need respect. Iya wagagbon ya atita. Egbin yangi. They don't have sense because they really ya huyan what we be akia. Ya gwana ya we abegi. That is the truth. They are crazy. We are begging no we no we na ni we no we one. There's always a 15, always 18, 19, hey, I thought we want to 20, 22, anyone in way. But mama, I will be a kick, I will be 20, and I'm wise. The wiseness in our way. Ikbia, but we care, what don't want. Walk of your how we care, what don't want. On your experience of Pano, with Tiago, the school my school, or you pay me to Ajo, the school near Vejona, the school no man here. What when you born very only life? Yeah, you are stupid and nobody is stupid like you. By the time they will be trying to start impressing you, they will start explaining, and they are fooling themselves the more, they are drowning themselves the more. Where we bury the stupidity. That's why sometimes you are empty vessels make the loudest noise. A drum, the mirror by je we are what sick or we go. Name je we are what papa and go on to chichi. Now as I with our baby. Now as I with our baby. Now wow. Social media. This is 2023. Let me remind you guys. On Aiki Ogen Wakado. On Aiki Ogen. If man have no smart to say this time, I'm away. Overlap because nobody is stupid. No more. And why go to Ogen no why? You are hurting yourself. You are disturbing yourself. My mama no who here. My competition no wow. As for me, I'm not in that kind of level. It may focus. I focus on my life and I don't even look at people. Okay, fine. You say you are number one. I'm gonna ask you, why can't you put your position in that number one or prove it for us to say, okay, you are number one? A number one, I prefer to the class. Let us say, show example, right? A prefect, you always look neat, you always best talk is without error or where you always show example, right? And I am a prefect, manani worry or watch school. But by the time we prefect to who late where we were carrying the position at the first place. Is it not like that? Prefect always come out first. Prefect, if everything they do is always first, right? While Neyata, they always be the one to answer. And they always give a good answer. Also, Anamu are prefect, head boy, head girl. If you are the head, you behave like the head. If you cannot behave like the head, you are not the head. You are just deceiving yourself. You see? So that is it. It's life. So stop lying. Oge abungbe ono se ni menata. Ita yeti shat. Oh ladia. Maybe me so ma ono ladia. Don't ladon tell no she. Agboma wayo. Or say ni Bible na tawe. Say the truth and it shall set you free. Exactly. We are what matter ni ya what do. But by the don't do at all. We ni ya. Oh he logo. Ati bero he. All ladia. You can never. But we are what matter ni. If not any wakonsh. Only in a boomer. I may not have memory because I have a lot I'm thinking about. It do I make any aya kungi. It do I make any aya talogi. Then me here because the more talk you have another one to back it up. While the toy over a gualove no area. It do I we need to pie. Or do I boom? So any. By then you are killing yourself because I tell Natana what talking your conscience almost what that is conscience. Oh, it's the evil spirit no ya talking. Oh, a conscience went over ba. Wow, begging you to work again to shake your hand. I butter that's so, Umami. A conscience of when you judge any to all fight against that truth, all fight against that truth, but your conscience will keep reminding you of that lie. Imayo, it's so young conscious in knowing, and what bury your dark carpet. If you really are a human being, maybe you can't tell me so where walk you know, but what okay, the water, it call where you know, no saying I like the lie. If you know if that thing know they do you, that is your conscience. But you go they talk the lie, but the thing go they tell you for inside your mind say, we echo temata. Omana make spirit ni no temi egbe ri oni mawe o wa ere ni owe oni no ma here manako. Na the truth, because every human being function arun so emi no worry yan obi yan ya se obi yan wa ya se no worry yan dey no ragbon na not emi ro pa ero. Yes, eni me wa ya like life no ma wonu si kenyun si ko ma wonu lenu it may like it because of I won't learn you, man, it can harm you one way or the other. Yes, Omar with Omaru is on a sick from distance. Omaru is so forgiveness is allowed. Why forgive any, but you are given the scenario you that is my head say, but just get here. You don't need the person. I beg you not saying anything here for the social media. Supposed to put it, but I was just laughing. Now I would laughing topic you and not that because a lot of drama the social media saying me with Jesus. This is the reason why like friendship never last the social media. Let me explain. Let me say the one I know. Why I not say the friendship and unity last the social media. One okay boom. Where was he me where he may own way with where laden we value me a go oma maybe then me a laden me value we oma e then ya mai mi o wa gbe maybe o gele ni me value ni iya do ya we topic we the way on na me tabe there o ke ho na all to ja me junu all me people we that is number 1. Number 2, control. If you are friends, or I must say Facebook, yeah, we no, control, all your all way. Or why it's why ninja is normal, what gist is normal, but that time no, wet time, West Tamano Saga, and that man Saga, and then they buy Saga and Moropa. Because you know why? On my platform, okay, on no, okay. No, ya except me a few quick way. Okay, I'm not do Latin. Okay, now my friend, I call 5 for you are just a child. Oh man, why? Yes, of course. I love a lot of people on this Facebook. But did you see me do that? That is again, say they will always come and control you. Whilst one thing and do control it. Gonna go, block on one na. They would like to control you as if you are a child. Do I sit binary? And in here sit binary no because me beg anywhere different social media friendship not the last, social media friendship not the last, na lie. If they last, if you apply this thing when I tell you so. If your friend they do saga, I get one friend for social media for more than 5 years now. She know they do saga. She know she felt they do live. They should call stop. She not call they do again. Not be my friend, my best friend that they talk. I mess them no. Another person again. She that time when she they do it to me, I know they would go there. My way. If they comment, yeah, we do, but we comment. What we comment about it. Me a why ya wait. Yeah, why we Vivian afa na why we drop a comment or go pe mind do ya gist. I get we just have forget. Oh, we don't know how I know Vivian now. Why you talk like this now? Not talk to this person. No, Vivian block that person. Not talk to this. All you do I see a problem. All the enemy to do I control agree. Do I control whoba. What time mama we my live video there now. Afa na where we live video do go man na ko. See finish it to read. A dog bound your money on go face you. Exactly. If you have friends of live video, face you get face okay. Or I like a video show any video no do I like you show a boy on no more bomb no like or no like show as far as say no on your pen no you no mommy but instigate a zone instigate a wahala ni do I have a guan normal except me normal few quick well to your bone. But they want to swear on you, they want to control you, they want to I'm not by no more those social media now. You might believe you got 18 years old, you're a presenter. I don't think so. Or 19 years old, even 18 years old, that is an adult already. 16 years old, 15 years old. So you cannot just say you want to control adults, full grown up woman. Only do I say problem now? That is it. Fake life everywhere. Mama no when here, mama no ya compete with. In when I winner, boy anya phone na it. In anya ups and down. In anya the old world. We are winning where you are pace sleeping and the bench. Really? They cannot even account for anything. I don't understand. That's why I make a laugher. So people will still believe. You cannot even sit down and use your just common sense. Common sense. Wow. I mean, in with social media now. So if you have friends on social media no like, stay away from our business. I get pushy. We want to go me saga. Get to boy saga me. After all, most any normal are monetizing. Or that normal strange person, maybe the person on him with ezogwe or ma bully or no going to go on your fine. That is another thing. But who now almost sick. Where that my friend be this me and the talk. Say person the saga or you are the except say people now get the same goal. This person don't first see insult you the way he stays insult and I have not got that why sleep your ladia. That one is there wakoko bonana be na wakoko we no pe yakwe a friendship in here last. And try hey why you got interfere where he malaja when afa na do laja no government we topic na no government gbona if you have a laja me time of your bone any rock pa or ipe we him ya lele kwalo or gwalo we him. That is just the truth. So why I came out this evening because in the way wa beg o ma no wa ran o wa agwa gbagba wetin you ga be e mege ya show even in show. Can you imagine? That's so shameful. For how many years on social media, and you were you were talking boldly, then you wanted us to believe that crap. God. Maybe so no my way. Maybe so no ati o. But wa gre we. Better stage and yeah we talk better don't be stupid. If you anime wa better with social media and it's not encouraging at all. My they impressed for. Them oh I secret opening annoyance now you know what's supposed to now why quota now you you're not supposed to now do wa ya do other side be bieleka we ma play mu wa o igbeso mi agwan and also igbeso imo bo ni agwan because you going akwa lo. That is just the headline. Because you know said to a wa by me if you I me go you go need no every month I only the shame and disgrace no do aro. Why you say shame and disgrace yari there? I don't understand. You may not that's on social media name our topic. Why when you talk? Okay, let me talk about this. Okay, let me emphasize on this. Okay, let me talk about no this time around secret in avion emi na era vije ogun ogbera gbeju iju asilo to awe oni mi awe this award awe kwopa ha na ki pe oba ni ro ki kwoba because they want their platform to boom. They want their platform, they want money. And when you are saying you debut, could you imagine that community? Year to year. Papa. Mota. Where we tell my Aladdin. And I don't come man, we're begging a story building now. I have one story building manage. Okay, like maybe one story, another story building. Or we use social media ya done. Me, I will not even listen to you guys. And I mortgage it there wepo. Bari in Nigeria wire boa. You can spend 16 million. And then again that you got to get one live video by way 20,000 euro. 20,000 euro when my boy one yo, the calculator me rema 20,000 euro no 1 million ihi. O gwana ibo again and I again it I 5,000 euro our ya bo our be passengers our be one name flat our why abo wa again na go build us even 2 flats save. If you don't spend money you spend like just 2 flats. If you don't spend money if you spend like 30 million or 35 million. Calculate them for error. For Nigeria, that one go even buy us for here, you'll still give you change. Or dollar. If you want beautiful flat, sand one, oh. May you see money. It not go even rich. If you tell me you build sand one, you talk about like 2 flats, sand one, maybe 40 million. If you want your talk about 3 flats, you just look. Hey God. Why make we go nina? We to here to wale mana. Who do? Here they change. We kwa pay here. Wana tele wepo. We ya tele Nigeria. Wepo na do wana na make unu. Maga egu me wari Nigeria. Ko Nigeria cash no. Do na do kwa asa o. Ario wa. Why do toast one boy? O Tony me there 2.5 million. Aka wa ya do. Who do be foundation? Estimate now is it not 47? 47. I don't know. So this meeting with 500. It's so this meeting with 207. We had to give 47 now. Smith this time now. Maybe all you can say December 5,000. Materials in UK. Again, they can go 5,000, 3,000. Now should be around 30,000 with her. Did you see the difference? Times 4 will be times 5. I don't know why I work more. One now bought since 30 years or 40 years ago, 100 years ago, 200 years ago. Then we had to argue one now what that wabo. No me quick be say one year. I don't understand una mentality. Why I owe you? O wana board me no wana o wana imagine na me sure o wana gbe 100 years ni. Then me wa do ran wa kiro. E so ga do no yen foundation and shake. Ado a we gbe zigo renjo. Dan ya tell we. E we boy kan wa. O me kenu a hion men say we boy kan we. Whether you like it or not. Why plan for future? Where you mona biele. When ya koki wo eno. Ya yo wa ya be ya jo wa depends. That doesn't mean ya koki ye. You mona biele we bo ya jo wa. It's okay. But wa hian do wa ni ya. Ale mi o tore we bu de u to bo we boy. O wa no pe 500 years no do a pay u do we to do wa. The network ya wa bread and e o our bro wa ban no. It's okay, oh. Mawe no wabo, but I mere owa nuyo obowe ya bo. Utobowe dige foundation. Asete, ubere, usete, boy with everything. Awu me wari Nigeria. Kaka ya bewo wanu born in Nigeria. We atame we just geleme. Man to show what in Nigeria, I want 10,000 you told a webo. I want 20,000 you told I want with 4 hours. I want to go 20,000. Also with that they have the foundation say a window level in Nigeria. All that they say. I should get where I'm Natana be 30 years in now. A logo now. Yene. Awa go. Awa money go. The primitive people in village, re. Why can't you do your thing quietly and just with style, like for me, like I don't even send down. I don't even send this. You the same money when you pour for the team, but you not go send down. Now that one be style. Don't be say you just get the thing. Wow, I can't you know why we. Go to Africa and build a mansion. Go and build a house. Now 2 floors, nakan. Now 1 floor say nakan. You go know how far. And now the 10,000 you tower mo one. Because now one na wawa can na mu moto. Ya wa mu no. But so we are query 1,000 abi 2,000 you tower mana. So go me bede yeti and pay go normal. You wa di moto me cash. In a bimoto me wowa. Do I want the baba na comment yo ya yeri. Amana dimoto amana pay moto for na ebeni ari enu. It's what we call title. Ona ya we plate number yo. Yari enu. But me think to her even when I pay go why gbe ya agbari moto ni are ya I get can fi moto no why gba me. The one making press America wa mi moto no re ma na we Goy, uwara no wa rupo wa. Iya ma send we 30 scar net de. The man we make fit in Nigeria. Where am me only fear the man I gbe wo we. Clean one. 30 scar net de. Akwejani me memu based on Nigeria mentality. But in ye fear the man. E be so ya me wo we are remoto ni afi. Where I want that way, because they have better things to do. But man in Nigeria ma form me wearing my body my well. Awa tinye mu genye. Emi keda wa gojo. How can you spend 20 years in Europe? You are still celebrating kitchen. Kitchen numa. How can you spend 20 they know 20 go to 30 years, 20 something years, 25 years, 22 years. Oh yeah, go get washing machine. Why go get TV? Gele. Anywhere ko do anywhere ko di lawa. Then why ga lo ya abege. Oni ale poti tijia. Ekwekwe mu wa. If you can't that like we no they are doing shit. Wanani penny. We might buy a bar do I go. Who one we mock by social? They are giving some wash after how many years they webu. Again, a weapon now, my one I like weapon. But my tea with me. A bar I do a show about if we move. I'm not supposed to know why I'm Naria. Then in Mela Wepo 2016, I get bed in a king size bed. Every year in Nigeria, every year in Mana. Why so well to do? What basic 25 years in a white to? Well, then why are they doing and why call a code day? Mamma show women are ill. While we may be. Ne pay a la but why me did to large and levy to a congratulations to me, see my paper, eh? Major Nigeria in jury. If I come with camera legawa. That's it. Already I have issue because you didn't be married and I was really passing through a lot. Now I stop it ever. I am on my star. I go. We are giving a go. You know what is your that means you are that is what we're degrading. We're cow one. A bomb me lie. One understand. It may have way a banana saver. It can be like Bedani. Saloba West of that moment. Saloba me moment. Our gojo. Why go back? Why achieve any so? Saloba lawa. Because he was achieve any area. Me live America, the 2016, 2017, me driver's license many. We are begging to show it. See, on my door there, we now be sure we're faking up a way. When a bill may be that rate undocumented, a way, war marry me, way. Attack him enough by now in Nigeria. That's it. It is way. Way, they are classless. You don't have to show. There, that way, you won't go one. I was so happy. At least, thank God. Oh, yeah, maybe I post a card. Maybe to we live it to Isaac, it to be pada, need to away. I was just like, thank God. That was 6 years. Most supposed not fun. He had same move, but in my way, because if he were, thank God, the one on no son on a that is me. Press on my that is why. But we are by the time you are shooking your man. There is not even real. You are shooking it. Okay, how far? Why are we? Almighty Guan. Man, no way a flaw in me. Man, no way flaw me. One never need you not buy now. They fancy me. And when you watching on Facebook, Vivian, like that your grand old one. See the number. You are sure. How open your ass? Take the number. Because it come in why? It is the boy I'm mean when I was saying. Why can't you people just do something quietly? We pay a Facebook piece. Go. I want nya. Oh, one of my buffer to assure. Oh, one of my buffer go. Or computer buja one like wow. Admire to have been a congratulation. Why got pass through a problem? Why you better about to also? Why? These are the people need best years in the webo. Then the measure make no po one for while me on the social media. What the beg foundation case on. But again, my one get down right now. He don't turn me. In my way, Benny, boy. He get over go make a born in it. Really, I tell you, live video now. That was years ago. That was 2019. Again, me ya soon 2020. Me ma ye go. Why am I day where when you saga and say, let me show my property. What come about? And that is not only the one. Your property, but I did I show any other one? No. Because he might went into your press on. Or maybe so normal. Forget. Or honey, I won't know extra. See, where a doing so well. And I ain't doing. Vivian Idare, NB or documented. Idare, they were in an pushing, in a way, we carry on well Latin. Me man me de la dia wan ye meji. Ye mari ogin ye la dia. We no we gbese 40 years in eh? Mo hin do we ware I me man ne. A me gi me mo e. Me man lu weta lo ya agie. Me gwarule with competition video. Ama we after 20 years or after 30 years, all about to do be bless you. Ugunu la wa. Wa ata hero we. E na wa nya be na me we. U we te wa frustrate. E di me hu wa. We wo na wo na awa teme. I have e we bo. That means u we te wa frustrate. We maintain plan where dey life working to age. I don't know. You see? That is how I would be looking at you people. I can. After many years in abroad, why what the bed? If want to show it, Binana me wa vitare ya the bed. If we are after 20, if want to show a bed, or if want to show a television, or if want to show a washing machine, who will give any? Enu we wa mo la wa we ya so I went to buy my washing machine wa mo e wa ni me. Why ko we wa as if woman care. Area ya big girls. I mean, what I travel via swam, you what I wear as if you got me born a baby on your monte. What I would be million in life. Because I mean, wow, also no me. Yeah, wow, who walk must say, we get gosh shit. What is all this? Any water. After many years, la wa yakmon was a loboa. Amani denina. Amani day. In winner. Ima gbigbi agia ima we drop this ima gra ima fio my phone one night obome na ya nwina ina bowa ina be mi be ina ari owa mo suppose no worry make wa go wa mi mere egbe level ni wa mi mere egbe level ni e oye ene ma we oni gbese going to 30 years e we boya na live life ya boya do agbina. Who get this, who not get this, who get pass, who not get pass. I get this and pass, I not get this. If you not they see, you not go no get pass. Now the truth. If you not they see, because you cannot spend years and you God. It's not God that blessing you. You go and be thanking God because I don't wait for ne. Ulawa. Because there are people that are even in Nigeria there that are doing more than most of you guys. Nigio na. I didn't ask you what. Where when I saw you, when I go by, ye washing machine paper, yeah, a television, why we go by a pot. Mula one ya love ye. Oh, man, a memoju se fucking ya with live video. Hey, let me above my hairnets. Oh, so beautiful, so hairnet. Oh, look at. Hey, anyway, oh, one way topic. I walk power like bully. Our bully. Hey, Flint na ya gbe mosquito. Oginya ya praise me ya too much in me. I don't even know. A lipstick again can ya paint. Oginya ya will live it. Oginya ya ting biamu. We are years in ya care wepo. My God. Again wepo na wepo. Again wepo na ma. But so if they play me out, well, a bounce a lot of it's okay. But while they work here in Wahala. Exactly. After many things, no why you budget. I hated me. But at the same no so many they will not even thank God and encourage people. Again, it go down on people. Praise it. They do a thing for him. Even we achieve at the age of 25 years in Europe. Go and hide yourself. Because you know where you go, again now. Then now you want to come and start rubbing it on people's faces? Who cares? You don't have nothing. Everyone in there going, yeah, well, beg. Everyone know he beg or it away her. This lady, she just they do like that to no use her play with that young man on me. Everyone in no person yeah going. We are really we say where we are sending the name. But a million so ya mujo wani or ya muje ni ya achieving. But mommy and the achieving me rock. It was a walk go. Eriya me go gbe. Eriya too much gbe. Eni ya fefe ni ya de credit. Ina ko high. Ina ko dono na ina ko high. Ina ko we ma wo we me ko. Wa ye ko high ba. O se no we ma na igwa pay yo ya. Akasi. Wa ya le ihwe awagihwe amuwa. Wagihwe amuwa. Wahala dia, wakela dia, many topic. Wa mana me topic kita. Wa so tell the story. Why you watching home video or why you watch American movie? Why we do why do you tell story? Damn yo. Okay, why ya me view? Why do I full egg why na me view? Wa ga yin wa me go as a presenter. Why are you wa ya bowa? Cause a cash aya we government in we go no eva. We me bank no borrow we go. Did you hear me? Talo. Awa tifun. Awa preach. Awa fian yegbe me awa hin yegbe. Oh yeah oh. Please come and donate. Keno we yen go gbe. So te yen go gbe yen too much gbe. Yen me wa de ko yen me Abuja yen me worry yen le do yen me ya. Owe wala wado kuyen donate wado assist yen wado donate go. Did you guys hear that? And wakele we awe yeah we will support. Who raise you people? Who raise you guys? Inwuna no wa nwina no wa block wa re abinu wa na re pa wa re no wa mehin mi sunu wa gbon. O ma wa brag ma wa no de. Owe ne ona kalo ma wa wen. Then now when we do donate in then wakele where okay drop your account number. Really? Where you go where you okay? Where one money go la no fia kusana yo no feel letter yo no gain. Because of their bragging everywhere. Yeah, it was a brag of like me. And the thing is that my where woni ya or gian. Then the mere one and I woni me my but me here begging ya but in your agreement. A lot of people Vivian they watch you. Where were there? Oh, we are not comment. I just watch you. A lot of people that know you are watching you, blowing that kind of heavy lie. Why you blow it for no? You got very when who was so. A video now I make all move on our show. Not by show. Where I feel who walk by. Where do we feel who walk by? Or here beg it would be mine. Why I told you what I share. I bet when I share this video, yeah, you got show in shame and disgrace. Well, yeah, we are not with this game. She says she born. She not born. She not that picking. Not be Vivian. Not be chilling name in Nakina. Oh, yeah, she not born. What she gonna lie? Okay, no see as on and how now. Oh, hello. Hey, no see that guy. They say no born, no get picking. They say Papa Nina. Where I procure he boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, you know, hey, hello. You know, they say she don't get. They say she don't get anything. They say if you say ask, no, because we told you. What you boys you? Oh, you walk by Aro Pawala. I want to message to talk be boy. One now, and now they soon a comment. Muna no verse. Nika will know that you are he wear for naked or beg comments. Always when any. No. Oh, why you got told he? If suppose ni kwe amu wise so. Suppose ni kwe amu wise so. Awa talo. My eyes are frustrating now. And we bring it wrong in Okaji. We are gear expire. Nothing no hearing. Why do we are winning it? We are gas got a colleague, you know. And again, I kawa do our Mudaya Benunisa. Awa wufu. Awa wi moto. Awa wupo. Awa wana. Why you it to our gone? They know why it to our car. Why suppose no one respect you say? Uji. Or suppose why you there? Why respect? Why you let them then brag? They know what brag iba. What do you people have? I know where who say we put in winner. Why so where it tie? Why so where it tie? Why so in my iguana and when I will give away tie? If we give away post them to what Thailand no. Our talo, our yearing, our yadi. See this yearing? I want the butter after how many years? Who are we made? Who are we made? Look, Moana. Why me a day one with camera? One more artist on now. I want to buy clothes. They don't burn me. I call you at the camera and mate is stressy. Or when he had the shop, he had on the way. Oh, Bonyami. Why I gave video on the to make way delete. Oh, Bonyami. My way said, my question 5 minutes. Now they get door because he said, take how many way life because I was so busy. Okay, the way we were shopping that work in Nigeria. Imagine. Nami why want me again? Then why I am winner? Wesha, wa mi go when why I tell wa mi go. But when ni me ya la live video na, e woni we live video na beg me okpa. I buy this one credit e me yi ho. Ina ko asa. E na ari bank. Ya na mu go mi. Wala o we go kere na wa donate me. E me yi ho. So why he ya ti impressing me any messing winning me I need to amege no kwa the social media. Ologo because he get many men win a lot every Thursday one no or allow of fear. You understand? If your buy stop it. If your buy stop it, okay, I'm another saga ne buy you put and me my money for big. My cause this person. My insult them. Me people for come, me my money for big. I really our saga for negativity something. I want a video where ya no we married or get time. I don't know who be this person. What figure to what popular? Ota holy. Ota or a holy. Or we can wow say back be what I swear. Now what is let's say 10 years from now. Baba na wake na wa me 10 years yi wa gba. 7 years me na. 2016 manere 10 years 7 years of cooking ane aga no dey weke wan e ban wa gba bege eri o wa wake wa me around wa ba 10 years wa gba 10 years ba eju wa e wa ye ya do a chat in social media na ke wa chat ama me ro pa wo aye beg aye ti e la wa wi yo bo me awa la aye wa like your thing. Ama me you na to achieve a life. Me me beg you ba to God. Many ya go say. No be win the way we walk, wa be begging ni go ma ye be genuine. We no be ya mi go ni one way or the other or saga o ma yana do ri go ne or be blackmail o ma. I ga gbon ni hin. I ga gbon ni hin. I ga gbon ni hin. Aji go jijo ya po ojoji o visit to wani ojoji o wa visit to wani itowe so genuine money o mana ya bowa also na bere we ale mama nya shinere nede o wa ya ni ya bolo no hi mairo ya we akwe abere se wa abere we bere ni agbon o bere glory bo wani we wa age nwa kan e ma taita. So ya wa lele no higo me wa lele no higi me. Ma be ye in Nigeria be tell you ni ma mo ha because ma wo me anytime ma fio me go ma gbo ma wa ma sio ma koto ma ro yo me kino ri come la. Yes, why is it bad no to ale o lere ori on we gi soto. O ga ibi o ma bi eso wa be ma na ni gugu ano. O ga I wa o me mi o so no o hi sa lo ben ya re. A life ni hi. Is that life? Agbona ni here na wa le olere ba I orion wa so to ba because of them no him ya impressive iyan we there o kan we wo when wo go me mama ri agbon e dopa why you go ma hi wa agbon wa live a life wa we no please wa o ma na ma won ewe egbewe wo to bo we no ma ha ma we no wo hia o e no ro we kwe ya we ni exactly verse wa do be wa because it's not sense in now bring the social media. After how many years? Wa hama wa me state. Wa hama me we are unu yaje. We are when we investigating ya ba me ropa ri anisa. Ya wa make no. We be ga pa ri gbiya. Ya make no for now. And that 1 second sense on any go. That is the problem we have. And we are terrified in no go wherever I go where. I make it well at and then also I shout. Hey, my enemy. You are the enemy of yourself. Nobody is your enemy. Exactly. Someone na change on our ways. Oge no wa valor bungbe. Wa mwegoto. Oge bungbe. Wa omoro pa eju wa ji. Wa iga deceive egbo wa. Wa ara to oge ni na ni ga tamu wa medi wa ni we ba ko wa eko. Oge bungbe. Me to bi me wa mi awa abeg. Na gbera ge dia. Wa we mi la wa ya love ye iga tell do anya no do tell do anya no do tell do anya no do tell do anya. Ai wa we ni me ogwe ni ya po ni egun ya kwere social media. Wa figure man no ma yigare social media na eri make e wa gun. Wa un e wo ni nego na social media. Billionaires, millionaires, ni ere social media. Ya ge o eme. While like social media na wa paint on paint you na wa do ladder. You know me. You don't know me oh. See wetin I buy today. See wetin I want on boss. See man see wetin I buy. Too much. We na go ni be government ori anyhow. I go ro pari on sin wa munu. Wa ya making ala di abani aso. Ya so ya my pay go wa de. Ya pay go wa. Ya me na pay go wa ya wa mekunu ya wa bragi. Ya mana me wa no ye ya we emugu no. Ma me no. Honey ya me na wa gbon. Wa kewu wa me no wa ore. Emugu ni oso wa. Exactly. Why you make no money? Or no again adowa. Odowa ni odo e cash. Or I do a cash. Or the receipt in me Vivian. Every me spend there social media or post there. Any your show because on I na imule anywhere anywhere no wa show me ya. They may believe you cash will get ya adowa ni. But why ya more the mortgage? When I do wa. When I know I no more the mortgage, I work for last. I'm your wa. Why my me? Upon ya. Why are we deceiving ourselves? Well, though the mortgage you are still paying every month. Yes. A month you got buy me and pay go. Why do we have a pay? We pay go bye. So why would I go? Why when me read the banana? Oh, we may Nigeria. Me mo solar energy yoni. They be many ya miss stable lights. Okay, me pay go pa. You pay you go why they pay your mortgage. On your yaman and gbe oko why ya bo wa in Nigeria. Now go one wa bo. Why you got making noise? Gas our breath. If you know so you buy your ass cash, post the receipt, post the money. That they are for respect you. Not go they carry loan for bank. Make them go they deduct for your money. Musa boru akausa. Usak bawa ogbawa yeki. Why Latin? Why give me? Why do I say? I too much. I get this ass. I take be your ass, not pay now. Whether they not collect them. When they make it now, I am doing more with Nigerian. Oh logo, because you go me ya boy, you go me ya boy. On ya toma no more wa. Why mo wa? Oh, wana re mortgage house. Why mo wa? Why I do cash? Why do cash? Why na tabunu? Why tamame bunu ma oni home? Why do a cash? Why posted the receipt? Yes. Fake receipt or fake receipt. Go at the tamawe. Why am we why got me mortgage house? Why mana pay for ne? No hion who one ne. Why would it better my go to wow? Because me my way demi. Amana homana hion woman, I tell demi. Me understand. No mana pay for. You go no pay my thing you know what would it be? I don't know. But in that way, because you pay here, my pay for are what do I 6 months you will every time. Then we have to why or one eye not me away. Most people do what? Here met pay a me and one eat be me. A walk by the so they will not hear the big D of J bank. I'm where I borrow where go based on where when I have only wake whenever will be ever. I borrow where go. I'm we go no the bank work me. You go no have to pay later with interest. Better ya where they go, oh na bank. Also when we go to where I ya do. Do where you may go be. Why get on me? You understand? Why can't you me? Do what you go, but when we go while ya do wa. What I do wa for ne? What do any? Why posted the receipt? The social every logo. Why worry gas so why have many people one very eri vie ya no wa bege or river na be mule. Anybody got mwele why I get fake no magba because I accreditation come at the receipt no ma. Man got me receipt. What are you telling me that will day me receipt hero? Be webo. Nigeria. Yeah, where my dad I not get receipts. Webo. Where I dey common chewing gum $1 be $1 something. How the receipt no? That's the truth. So why every day one mortgage you pay you every month? My do because anything can happen. Our whoever or one igbe. We are when oka pay go while do ya human or rent or raw or sunune. So why ukazin gbene? Why pay for ne? Uke do ta wo do wa. O se mi na de kun yi ete. Ma like yi. Wa be do bo be do e. U ha mi ma we I buy yan obo na mortgage at the suffer dey pay. You ya woman you be. I no don like to I oppress wo ni me de tin we mi ro po ina me tin azo a wara wo zo a because wo saro oru. Wo here to pay go re ni bank. Ni government e wo ni. O wa to ajaligo yan we ri soto. O ye to azigo susu. Iwe a don ware gbe so yin ye be don ware yan ye dey pay one ego one here. Tin eternity I ye pay every so 20 years 30 years all sania. Ah pay here wa. Then we are money where I pay back, we do pay mortgage. Why pay back, we pay mortgage, we pay interest here. O sa balo wa o we yet in me ya wo ni gbo we to do wa. E la fini. Why go e the other uncle? Why get the other uncle? E mo tigare we agwa ri mortgage we ate. Me no we re go wa me agwa lo ware. Do we ati pay mortgage ni for ake ko we for awo. Again, so guys, pay and so why? If you pay, me and everyone. If you may say pay and I'm me, on my phone, Becky. Why won't we make it? Why I can obey? I will need it to owe you. Here to I think. Here to I Salobua, the can me have a young man. Why think why think one must so far a great runway? Umie the Leru Salopua be blessed with winnow power say. Will say you were rock bato. Emma, man stand. We no power say, man amigo ya the rent. Why pay? Life goes on. Neither the walk by our vehicle. We have a rent who walk by a vehicle. Parliament in a ya will lawa. They have a west, egg big boy. Because my begging Anna. Iya here impress on my yana ya deosa. Begay. We are against an oresoru. If we get outside. Long, mama. Welcome, sister. Rita success. Why you born here another show? She bought the house. Cash. Let's be. Una know say una wey be social media people. Anything wey enter social media, none of they believe. Una like to the right congratulations. Without so una know they investigate anything. If na your year, na your right. Na your year, na your right. If na your year, na your right. Congratulations. Because don't they fly for air. Why they all air wet? When not mad them, when not they let them the oppress una Oh sir, whatever. Also, while begging where any little thing, if we are querying $10 in your son, why we are 9. So I beg, well, let any day, me not let them the oppress una with a bias. If you not feel bias, rent house, stay there. Because they're not going to tell you the thing where you did under a bias. You will pay government, you will come pay bank, you will come pay person where get the your mortgage. That will not be stress. What about one day now you can't lose your job? How you want to take pay bank? I don't know now they do it for on our side though. You understand? People they do it. You understand? If you get maybe you say okay this work now I don't they stable or I don't people they do but me it's stressing me again here. You know so everybody get the way that they think. It's just me yai. Now the truth. Ima where I do have a mortgage. Oh, de nehere. Webo most ga webo na abeg ya party Nigeria later. Wa here do bove don na home when I do the twin. Wa do here ye portable. Na we deck bri. Wa we do at least before 10 years. Before we ke wo go. Ukhiyome. Do go. Un ego wa ni wa clo efo. No me na mu e problem he we. Me a want it. Esegeti pay for. Yeah, man, pay for at the end of the day. A government in me, one igbe. Yeah, Tony, yeah, take the good side and the bad say what abas. Oh, one, how you take that? Yes, I can't go bank can't borrow me 20,000. Bank can't borrow me 30,000 with interest, right? Okay, fine. And I will pay back. Yeah, acquire the salary. Then one who dealt to furnish maybe a bank will be a move away a bank of again. Oh, son, he say 100,000. Yeah, come away. Hey God. Yeah, Wahala, Java Kausa. Yeah, he say. Whenever they want Savuru, we want masse. My lady, I had to see your comments. How the comment you fly. More than no vessel. Now let you a day. I just they talk because I know they like the way they say they oppress some people for this. Not be me, wait me why me and me why can you but the truth of the matter still remains. Mortgage is good in a way. You look at yourself. Don't do it because people are doing it. You understand? Don't do it because people are doing it. No. Check yourself and read of it. Ask questions. Because I do why I'm ego mota. I do why webo. I am ego. Because a credit ya. No there with cash error. Credit. Not there on metal. No matter there. But me my so not there cash or yado. So since a cash or yado we buy there. I do go also man do a cash. Why we do but we have go where to do a cash. According to but I do a cash, yes, at the cash in man. Why me go with credit and with some kind of ego doing your my do it because woman win America or logo. I will regret to Tony maybe another time. So if you okay, abas, what do I get ye or do I whipple? Oh, say, who was saw on a phone, Tamawe, Tony Mawe. You was saw. Mammy, when neither day was a wool now, or one must say, why could you know a cool be a gray or for a pipire? Or must say, why, later, maybe we locate area Africa, see why young one, or when we can Africa, so we know what he really but why locate Yako Boyuwa? I beg you, one not be 100 years in another walking on my man and not to ask Zigo and Angel. Oh, one, I don't know. Because a business in Wahala now, one a him, or one not be 200 years near to him. We argue one way Babana, one way set a foundation ya born when we know just solid. Yamayagi. You beg with 10K deposit, you can build the house. We are getting a 10K above in Nigeria. Also, in Nigeria, Wario, Wayado, Wayabo, and now they devil. Now they devil Nigeria or cheap. Yabo. We are going me. I agree with yes or yay. And not there, wepo. Now there were the 10,000 in the 20,000 in Munwe. Now when we kwasa 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Depends on one bo. Begay. Depends on one bo. When no my bubble wa we bubble one egg yagi. They were to azog gave, to azog gama. Our wagging our press wa. Palawo. As the year, I my one in upon a walking with Jessie because on my reason I have send you go to wire boa million most of I say maintenance in it. Is your hey There is a zero where I go like ni go ni la where me o. Bege. A fence alone o ka wari 3 million. Ya we hi. Eri o ya ri o million make no say we do agbe million where I go like no le million la. Le manani a. Awari go kere ni ya 10,000. 10,000 only must I am win on even man. I'm only must be on 10,000 in it. Our worry near one mobano. One year I'm one of mamma. That we have it to our gabu walk. Me I do walk away, but I have a time when I mortgage you say how much I take by bet it law. For instance, now if there is any need, I will have to think about it very well. And then a pollock bay, a bed 3 bedroom. Why you quick 2 baths, 3 bedroom, 2 toilets. Why you quick or 1 night? Maybe an hour I pay for under 10 years or under 8 years. I had a measure, but in measure what will work as settlement. What can I have in manner? If you don't have you maybe where maybe if there's any need, I will have to think about it. Okay, you are well, are you twin? You are money at least make where you win now, you came one way, ya in here, make a stay. I say 50-60 years in it, but why you were webo? Why we webo? They will not get it in a webo. They win and win now. Okay. Oparo, if you have money, any may go. The solar will maybe give you a baby. If you have money, you put solar in your house. 24 hours lights. Yes. Anything you want to do it, you put security. With camera, yeah, where that baboy or anybody no cross or okay. You have to protect yourself. I walk a there, Ojive, very last. You feel free. As song was 12 o'clock, my hero, day, nothing. Beggy, me marry her where they rob this person for you. Eggy rob video. I don't mind. Why they will make can also hand way. I move. Who be 60 years, who are they whipple? Why you be whipple with 60 years? 70 years, who are they whipple? Why you? I ain't supposed to wear super work or wow, no yari offend. I won't need ya no lawe where I peg we good one traumatism and try to see again more in Nigeria, but at least I won't need ya over offend a mete yakwa. Ware compawa o cause a webo my uparo where we are mupayo on a young one be off mupaye over when we make it a good place for you to stay. I mean, when you go setting. Why can't you got this civil wine? What try? You go a go away women you want. Mammy, I'm a pona. You go money and be why I'm gualo. Yeah, the 10,000 we are interested in your mujo. May my borrow you go the idiot law because me I'm stressing in my money day. Hey, yeah, we are why is it Europe? What a man, my easy. Yeah, stress you way. First. Yeah, where because me now live a bank, a bank, and I know okay, I can't borrow you. They will know the requirement. Who can have fees? Who have service with them? At least who can save it up to like, according to him, who save it like maybe 5,000. What save it or whatever. Then, why have credit? Credit where we are. Then who make sure who bank with the bank for at least for 5 years. That is one withdraw, drop it, go withdraw. Then why he borrow? They borrow where be right 10,000. But already go winning or ever near Kawa. Where 5,000 young you know. I don't know if you understand. I'm interested in Lily. I feel. Oh, why bank? Oh, I'm gonna give me 20,000 of America. Why call anybody at all? Yeah, anyway. Even any 10,000 when me wire time now my easy. We have interest. So when my way I beg when I carry on money, I don't need that. They have interest. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you see no why we done now. I say no one way it be way it be. But any I make it, only I too much. Oh, that is just the truth. Oh, yeah, too much. Okay, too much. Let me see what you got. And our computer video. What boy for beg it? TV beg it. No, ya work. na we use 15 years yabo our boy efuerie we ye managing ya we are telling am under 2 years 3 years at least your one is supposed to not round up, you know, one hour bo why for warrior. It's okay. Why you there till manage your boy for gunu way? Oba my for one way ladia. See my building. Why work because shock. Kenya me asile ya ladia. Social media. Who they pursue na? They go. One year. Cause me, Vivian, not the see you. I just they see the laugh. I they look on like village people. True to God no. I just they say, I mean, na primitive big besha. Why can't we finish him no? Why won't have a okay, or I finish any okay? This house now it makes sense. This house, yes, it try. Or why am I there by your story? I show you. On the man, you see boy for work well. They Wahala. Thank you. Mona, if something happen, Mona, the stuff they take on because you get now. What do you Hey, see my answer, see my phone. I don't so more here we. This is one phone now. We ya feel bad, we run. Beg. Also, you know where Emma. Why we here we. Well, don't worry, God will still do now. Make we leave her for you. We'll talk with you. Will come for. Oh, why you ready up? No, they why you tap my phone. See this phone. This phone, What made me a phone there? It do what yan in no son me. I don't saw a way and no my way. Oh, why you ready? Oh, you know what's our boy song in Momoy. His son, why was it? What? Almost why one million name that way, even a wasena. And I live a life. My people. What better evil? When why they besere wepo at least by now, or suppose name why they are ready. Any ya what boti tiji. Here go is okay. Upon salo banori in name. I do yeah bullshit. I want pay them that they jealous me. Really? In your mind, after many years in abroad, you think you can show me one thing? More than 20 years. Then you feel that person like where every measure don't know can jealousy way. Who? Even though you were yago ni, me yago. I was so worried about a gold. You was silly, here we are now. Oh, why? I can never. You were because I am my style. That your by ever is okay. Bah. That's it. It's all I want. Can walk here. Any I want like you one. Begay, even when my like, any men like where he like it. It's all I want Bali Gilly, or Ariana. Meti Bali too, cause I feel now, Fiammy. Eat ballo, Yavito Ballo, egg babana rainy. Egg bese 1 hour. Beg the difference. So, hey, I feel where on my women well, only me when or any normal or my like a I don't say I like a bag and shoe. Yeah, where was so we are make it your way she pack and shoe. And so why we like a ukmo. Where make it your way she ukmo. Don't mouth, damn mouth, I will beg out there. And there's your a so raw or why a toe. Beg a so what why jewelries. And so why I do with it or why flip flop or why butter. And so why I wouldn't even mad them or focus your wa. And so raw immortal when the bench any may hey bench the rain so what can I bench? The fire starting motor one way I can beg it any left in a year. So I go ya ba. A bame do any motor marrying any motor rock. But I don't so raw if we so raw. We are begging any motor living a motor no him because he me like you know. It's so why why and why like in a boy. It's so why what the rotor thing I bought back and what the low here. Any and why we like you know. Everybody may be not like. But social media, I do a tama way me no ma. Emi ni ya like ya mo yo we gbe we su we must to like e. We re ana ogwa amu igbe magwa amu igbe ogwa agbare to magwa agbare to evi erin nu vi oye oni o mama ipata nu gba ma match. Ma bege ene ya gwa what can we dress up we get we admire we out there kina me we na be. I don't have to tell you as far wo momo. If you case so yourself we are here mo yan gbe egunu we ni anjo yan we yan je egunu. Yan wo no na yan kan anjo. Ano ni abu yan anjo ni emma but we are here we yan o ma na petting yan we like egunu yan yan yejo. O tin yan ni anjo. E dey adult je. Even no we like me ma like e. Even we ya dress. Me here to dress very because you dressing now with season. Egwa amu egbo ni egwa amu egbo enu we fi we gwa amu egbe na we no we wa fi we to we gwa amu egbe na enu we journey maybe me here like e we wanna joy eri oji eri owaje I don't say what we like your dress is fine your dress is fine that is how it is in life na we ya saga na we ya tie bono because I mean na gwa ya saga oni o siezo eki a presenter to presenter wahala egbe we mene ege nana da ladian ege ni is topic that doge o ni wale we no ro awale yan but ege na e wale fo opa afo we are wa fight egbelega wo si eni na ego monetization be town talk wa monetize the ban you only monetize go make sure video me yeah ado mo video bi o ma na ma suppose na mu na ado ake ba ni gun we can see finish idure we can just because you want to get to monetization because you winner we have a winner we made Facebook it any making winner repanya wa ga okay na Saturday here you na okay you wa we live video let me just ka kwa ba very winner ya talo manana if not there weekdays na me ya you winner any ya kwere ya lubi me ko ebe na wa we live video that is life take your life easy hi ya na ni live video egbe a ohin ya live video dedegbe true to God I swear egbe na ohin ya din ya mo sawuru din ya nege mo kitchen ya pay din ya na mi ni ya yigo yawo ya live video dedegbe ni wina wo ya be jin wina ya be so be rest 1 day 2 days ya be rest enu abe yan ege ke gbebe okono no mami ni wa bi yo wa ege wina ero and the truth so ya gun wa ga mo boze yan wa ya cash cruise ni ata wa ge ala wa mi ni me wa ta de sin no ogwa wo wari nu kwa ma be like wa filekwa o wa si ayo me wa understand so my guys ibe kwa ni be na wa le ru ni bi awon rin wa ko ko so ri oni me wa le wina me wa ya wina me ti do ya ta lo me kra lo sin afi me ni e ni wa ya we so wa la o ipa ababa o be fin do be ya awon rin wa ko ya be ladian but sinima o I mean that no live video now even me beg na me understand o those people should not take us for a fool man why e dey gba na wo e dey yan win na do the needful yes so and that do abeg if no ma clear am at all no it's not nice ya bebe I no go prove I go prove and it's not all the time. Ihwe webo any aro imawunu wa we social media wa web wa ya intimidate oma oni ni mecha ni meta agala jam social media agwan as family agwan as friends agwan agwan as friends agwan as family agwan as you understand na na wa ni oppressor o ira me wo mase wo make ese nyopa ma make ade yan here ti make agbon phone no we ma me make when I like life we after 20 years in we do a show. When me one all that we born that 5 years or they come out born, not they go they come out born, not they maybe you had dasha work maybe you don't have big dasha or make a or we me in Nigeria we bo or we do what they will put me. When I do our way after 27 years or 25 years or 30 years, they will get on ulawa. I understand. So la when you work in ula, when do you are that they book it tell me very you can tell me very that they jealous me, that they jealous me, that they jealous me. Really, who be they call name now. No, they say D. Oh, I was a water okay tell me but we have a presenter here. Was stop him now in wa oni wa here kon wa we so wa gume to alaja no wa foolishness wa so ne wa ro we akun ya and when oh gosh they're killing like banana as for me as don't be small I dey shame and yes so I was so ne we wa moment when really now I just hope conveni me here me I turn eh or say me na do alajan gbe so why is yin why can turn why rere you why here ya dey you go the supermarket I tell the receipt no wa amana the receipt no wo mudia abi or you know because it's normal we are here quick pass before we hear your receipt abi enter the side wa o do ma yan wa ta we are here go hit am here we no I don't need it okay all do fear for ye kini ya fear paper yi area ya wo so say ya hama we ya wa for there maybe the card wa ya there for there by card where you know area wa say so I don't understand they na himule do wa the mortgage everybody know there a mortgage ya do ipo ene give ni ya do give me ya go ni pay you go no ike people will love you more nothing like truth a matter is very good who are having oje o wa fo what we are to ato o ga ti bere owi of zolo latian wait till when we pin na la o zolo latian but a matter we are what time your phone o wa wu but by the time I tell matter ni o wa zolo latian dey if you know o we go phone for we pe ya zolo latian bi your way and then ma o you do see o ma the man no je we go come me say he was tired no je him also no okay made the mistake okay why we I know are not perfect okay mistake he make okay my but he not say in our way you reason with human beings and if you was smart say and what else man smart was smart for crying out loud people are smart this again computer na hina I mean your pan can go on na looking at me error and the truth. So my guys, let me leave you guys. Say you guys. Man just go like that. Just say I drop this one for you. I'm not taking a personal. I just did drop my own. Why you take a personal one? Vivian le. Must when you more up banner. But I think more. But I'm just saying talking generally. But why they need day? May anyway page me. Only 5,000 area. Maybe where is go work on back, but maybe up back. So I come why would I want my face to work with them? I'm not by bed with work. Stay blessed with that. Thank you, my love. We'll soon start our program. I just wait till maybe by God's grace, maybe first week of September. And my secretary they handle and since for Benin, so I just want to try to handle and from here too. But I just want make my work come down small, so that every Saturday I feel this today the one. Just want every day handle them. But for sometimes like she did handle them now. Just tell her the one she go give money, the one where she no will give money. But very soon she will start by God's grace. I work. I don't want to put that one join. I don't go fit because our time and Nigeria time don't be the same. Now they go day evening now. We day morning here. Be waiting the time. So let me check. Okay, almost 1 o'clock afternoon, and they go there around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock now for Nigeria. See am. So on Saturday now, I think they get time so they go able to get chance. I go try. Maybe I'll they do around 2, 3 for Nigeria time. Then from here, if it be around 7, if I just they come back from work, I'll just start. I'll try. What is there? That made me stop since because it's not just easy. Good evening, Stella, pretty Stella. How you doing? My love, my live on Nana. Now do well. I'm gonna share the video. If you know, so you never follow my page, okay? Thank you so much. Love you guys. See you guys. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'll go work in the evening because my night job I do. I dey come out around 10. I'll come back the next morning. So I don't go today and come back. I come back this next morning. So you get some Vivian when I order online. So I just check them out since. So I say maybe the girl call me for video. So he call me for video call. I just send her money. So I say me package her. So that make me never quit do this live video since. Thank you, pretty Stella. Share. All right, guys. Thank you so much. So please don't let anybody intimidate you. Do what is in your mind. Dress how you want to be dressed. Dress what you like. Don't let people look down on you. As far as you they eat, you do okay. Your health is fine, so it's okay. And another thing again. I'll do that one next time. This video not so long. All right, guys. Take care. Ciao. Peace. Like you guys.